Alright, quick question. Ever felt that sudden, unsettling jolt when you realize you desperately need your M1 bill, but it's vanished into the digital abyss? You know, that moment when you're trying to reconcile your expenses, maybe dispute a charge, or just get a handle on your monthly spending. Yeah, we've all been there. It's like losing your keys in your own house, frustrating, time-consuming, and frankly, a little embarrassing. Let's face it, in today's world, our lives are increasingly digital, and that includes our bills. We're bombarded with notifications, emails, and app updates, so it's easy for something as crucial as your M1 bill to get lost in the shuffle. And let's be real, M1, while a fantastic service provider, isn't immune to the occasional hiccup. Maybe you switched phones, maybe you accidentally deleted an email, or maybe, just maybe, you're like me and have a talent for misplacing anything that isn't nailed down. But don't panic. You're not alone, and retrieving your M1 bill is actually a lot simpler than you might think. Today, we're going to break down the entire process, step by step, so you can get your hands on that bill in no time. We'll cover everything from the most straightforward methods to a few troubleshooting tips for those trickier situations. First off, let's talk about the most common and often quickest way to access your M1 bill, the My M1 app. If you're an M1 customer, chances are you've already got this app installed on your smartphone. If not, head over to your device's app store and download it. It's free, and it's your gateway to a wealth of information, including your billing history. Once you've got the app open, log in using your M1 ID and password. If you've forgotten your login details, don't worry. There's usually a forgot password or forgot ID option to help you reset them. Now, once you're logged in, look for the Bills or Billing section. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the app version, but it should be pretty easy to spot. Inside, you'll find a list of your past bills, typically organized by date. Simply tap on the bill you want to view, and it should open up in a PDF format. You can then save it to your device, email it to yourself, or even print it out if you need a hard copy. This method is generally the fastest and most convenient, especially if you need to access your bill on the go. But what if you don't have the My M1 app, or you prefer to access your bills through a web browser? That's where the M1 website comes in. Just head over to the M1 website on your computer or mobile browser and look for the My M1 login portal. Enter your M1 ID and password, and you'll be redirected to your account dashboard. From there, navigate to the Bills or Billing section, and you should be able to view and download your past bills in the same way as you would in the app. Now, let's address a few potential roadblocks you might encounter. What if you can't find the Bills section in the app or on the website? First, double-check that you're logged into the correct account. If you have multiple M1 accounts, make sure you're logged into the one associated with the bill you're looking for. If you're still having trouble, try updating the My M1 app to the latest version. Sometimes, outdated app versions can cause glitches or display issues. Similarly, clear your browser's cache and cookies if you're accessing the website. This can resolve any temporary issues that might be preventing you from viewing your bills. Another common issue is forgetting your M1 ID or password. If you've tried the Forgot Password or Forgot ID options and still can't access your account, you might need to contact M1 customer support directly. They can help you reset your login details and regain access to your account. Speaking of customer support, if you've exhausted all other options and still can't retrieve your M1 bill, don't hesitate to reach out to M1's customer service team. They're there to help, and they can provide personalized assistance based on your specific situation. You can contact M1 customer support through various channels, including phone, email, and live chat. Check the M1 website for the most up-to-date contact information. When you contact them, be prepared to provide your account details, such as your M1 ID, phone number, and any other relevant information that can help them identify your account. One little known tip: if you're looking for a very old bill, sometimes it can be tricky to find it online. M1, like many companies, may only keep a certain number of past bills available for online access. In these cases, contacting customer support might be your best bet. They may be able to retrieve older bills from their archives, although this might take a bit longer. Now, let's talk about preventing this situation in the future. One of the best ways to ensure you never lose your M1 bill again is to set up automatic bill notifications. You can do this through the My M1 app or on the M1 website. By enabling bill notifications, you will receive an email or SMS alert every time a new bill is generated. You can also configure the notifications to include a PDF copy of your bill so you can save it directly to your device. Another helpful tip is to create a dedicated folder or label in your email inbox for your M1 bills. This will help you keep them organized and easily accessible. You can also set up filters to automatically move M1 bill emails into this folder. And finally, consider backing up your M1 bills to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. This will provide an extra layer of security and ensure that you always have access to your bills, even if you lose your device or experience data loss. Remember, retrieving your M1 bill is a straightforward process, and with a little patience and persistence, you'll be able to access it in no time. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can avoid the frustration of lost bills and keep your financial records organized. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.